Good day, everyone. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please join me as I make my Nigeria Chinchin. If you're from Nigeria, you're going to know what Chinchin is. So I'll be starting firstly with my flour. As you can see, I'm sifting in my flour. And the next thing I'll be adding is my egg, and then followed by my melted margarine. And after that, I'm going to be adding my sugar, baking powder, salt, and my cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to mix everything together with my mixer and gradually add my milk also. If you don't have a mixer, you can as well mix everything with your hands. I got this mixer newly, so let's just say I'm trying it. Before I forget, you have to keep the dough after kneading it for about 1 hour to allow the dough to rise. And after that, you're going to separate the dough into two. But firstly, you have to knead the dough first and then you separate it into two. One thing I forgot to tell you guys is that I added vanilla flavor to this chinchin. It's actually optional. Now that the dough is in shape, it's time to cut. I'm using my pizza cutter, but if you don't have a pizza cutter, you can use a knife. But pizza cutter will be faster and better. So I would advise you should use a pizza cutter. While I'm doing this, I already have my oil on the fire. I'm just waiting for it to get hot. Do not mind the fact that the chinchin are stick together right now. They are going to separate when they are inside the oil. Please always remember to fry on a low heat. Do not fry on a high heat. And remember to take it out from the oil when you see this golden brown color. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share with your friend. I'll be waiting to respond to your comments on the comment section. We'll see again on my next video. Take care and bye.